Right, yo, boys. Today is Wednesday, 17th of December. Looking at the week so far, we came in Monday, took a W on Monday, beautiful trade, took it a short. Yesterday we had the outage. As you all saw yesterday, I still traded, and well, I'll show you what happened, but it was a W. Now, a little bit complicated because on one or two of the accounts, right, on this account we made $1,500 yesterday, right? Bearing in mind I'm risking $250. Now, on the other account, 305, and on my final combine, it actually blew the account, but because of the outage, they reinstated it, right? So I'm not gonna pass these accounts no longer at the same time, unfortunately. But I mean, $1,500, I'll take it. You know what I mean? We're up 2K in the past 2 days for that. No, obviously market opens in literally 30 seconds, so marking out my spot and resistance. Right, market's just opened, and then we kind of have. Oh, we'll see. This is a strong wick, but shut down 25 pips. We could be quite aggressive on a buy. This is literally what I was talking about yesterday, right? I find that these are super high probability trades when it comes down and flips. US 30 is also pushed up. I know I shouldn't look at this, but it has pushed up. Pretty aggressive, so NASDAQ being a little hesitant. I'm going to just give it a sec. That's pushing now. Again, very aggressive entry style. Why did I do so? Why did I enter so aggressive? Well, one, price came down at the beginning, shot all the way back up, and then price started to push all the way back down, right? And it pushed aggressively. It didn't kind of just push. That shit was like pretty quick. Also, another thing I was looking out for, even though I drew my support over here, well, it was actually under here, but I've just moved it. I started and began on, I was like, you know what, with this momentum, I was waiting for it to break the wick. It broke the wick, entered, boom, in. Straight away, boys. Straight away. Alright, here we go. Alright. Alright, just chill, boys. All chill. See what it plays with here. Boom's pushing heavy, that. Pushing very heavy. Closing into very near to take profit right now. Oh my god. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. That's how we do it, boys. Come on. That's how we do it. Since the tilt last week, I've had to adjust in it, and so I know this could probably go down 1-4, 1-5, but I'm just sticking to the strategy, sticking to my plan. 3 days, we're halfway to passing the accounts already, so that's how you do it. Bro, look at it. Do you know what I'm telling you, man? That I'm entering off the break, bro. Tell me that entry isn't perfect, bro. That is cheeky, that. But yeah, boys, happy with that. That's how I wanted to collected. You know what? I kind of don't like having that yellow line. It makes me think of the old shit. So I'm just going to change colour of that. So that's it right there, boys. Lovely week so far. Don't chat to me about December price section. This has been a lovely week. Monday, 1 or 2. Tuesday, 1 or 2. On this account, it was actually 1 or 3. Well, fucking 1 or 6 because of the double of risk, but we'll count it as 1 or 2. Wednesday, again, just another 1 or 2. Risking 250 to make 500. Same shit every single day. Beautiful. Beautiful. How long was in that trade today? So within 1 minute and 32 seconds, we've just made $1,500 across 3 accounts. Beautiful. Just like that. Good week. If it wasn't for Friday last week with a heavy risk and the shit price action, we would actually be one trade, $500 off of passing. But fuck it, it is what it is, right? Love this shit. Another day, another dollar. That's how you do it. That's how you come back from a fucking bullshit till. Eh? You man like blow these accounts, lose all your money and all this shit, and you walk away and you think this is a scam. You just saw me post myself, losing all my bread, going on tilt, in front of thousands and thousands of you who have been watching me for weeks, if not months. And what do? I get back up the same, the next day, back into it, take a little bit of fucking inspo. Come on, the boys. Imagine being one of the brethren that are sat there going, breakouts don't work and calling it a shit strategy. Imagine being that guy. Imagine being that guy. Breakouts don't work. Please, imagine. But yeah, boys, keep on fucking grinding. Do not stop. Keep it moving. Trust me. Trust me. We're going into 2026 printing, that's all I'll say. We are not stopping. I promise you that. Don't matter whether you've blown your accounts, gone on tilt, fucked it. Does not matter. You come back stronger. Trust me. Trust me. It's mad. I just want to say a big thanks to everyone liking all the videos, watching all the videos, leaving all your comments. Like, honestly, I'm replying to comments as much as I can, literally responding to all these. So I'm trying to keep up as much as I possibly can for you, man. Because genuinely, I appreciate every single one of you. Genuinely appreciate every single one of you. Yeah. YM. Yeah. See, this guy, you just got to stick to your pairs, bro. Yeah. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. But yeah. Another day, another dollar. See you tomorrow.